Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss some important MCQs from the essay Dream Children Everywhere. It is written by Charles Lamb. So let's start. Question number 1. Who wrote Dream Children Everywhere? Answer is Charles Lamb. Question number 2. What kind of essay Dream Children Everywhere is? Answer is an autobiographical essay. Question number 3. What is the names of Lamb's Dream Children? Answer is John and Alice. Question number 4. The essay Dream Children Everywhere was published in 1823. Question number 5. What was the nature of Lamb's grandmother? Answer is she was a religious person. Question number 6. What is the meaning of the word Everywhere? Answer is daydream. Question number 7. Who was by the side of Lamb when he had fallen asleep? Answer is Brigade. Next question. Where did Mrs. Field live? Answer is Norfolk. Question number 9. In her youth, Mrs. Field was a good dancer. Question number 10. In the essay, which fruits are referred as forbidden fruits? Answer is nectarines and peaches. Next question. Mrs. Field was died of cancer. Question number 12. Which river is described in the essay? Answer is River Leith. Question number 13. Those innocent would do no harm. Who are those? Answer is host of children in the mansion. Question number 14. What did Lamb see in his dream? Answer is two children. Question number 15. Dream Children Everywhere is taken from the collection Essays of Elia. Question number 16. Where had been carved out the tragic story of the children and their cruel uncle? Answer is in wood upon a chimney place. Question number 17. In which magazine did the essay first published? Answer is London Magazine. Question number 18. Who was Bertram? Answer is Alice's husband. Question number 19. Whom did Lamb court for 7 years? Answer is Alice Winterton. Question number 20. At last the children wanted to listen the story about their pretty dead mother. Question number 21. I had more pleasure in these busy idle diversions than in all. It is an example of oxymoron. Question number 22. The name of two fishes that referred in the essay are Dace and Sulky Pike. Question number 23. Who was Mrs. Field? Answer is Lamb's grandmother. Question number 24. In the text, how many old busts are there? Answer is 12 old busts of Caesar. Question number 25. 3 adjectives that are used to describe Mrs. Field. Answer is tall, upright, and graceful. Question number 26. Where did Alice and John wait? Answer is upon shores of Leith. Question number 27. Here the children fall a cry. Why did the children fall a cry? Answer is after listening John's amputation. Question number 28. When did the author see a dream? Answer is when he fell asleep in his armchair during the day. Question number 29. What is the pen name of Charles Lamb? Answer is Elia. Question number 30. Which book did the great-grandmother remember by heart? Answer is All the Parcel Tree. Question number 31. Whom does Lamb refer to as Faithful Brigade? Answer is Lamb's sister Mary Lamb. Question number 32. How many kinds of fruits are mentioned in the essay? Answer is 7. Question number 33. What is the most remarkable thing in the essay? Answer is mingling of fact and fiction. Question number 34. What haunted Lamb again and again? Answer is John Lamb's death. Next question. What is the name of the blood? Answer is The Children in the Wood. Question number 36. The dead body of the children was covered by Robin Redbreast. Question number 37. When Lamb told the children that their grandmother was a good dancer, what happened with Alice? Answer is her little right foot played an involuntary movement. Question number 38. Charles Lamb's Dream Children is notable for whimsical pathos. Question number 39. It was in this spirit that my little ones tripped about me. Who is the speaker? Lamb himself. Question number 40. Who is John Neal? Answer is Lamb's elder brother. Thank you for watching this video.